Hey, what's up guys? My name is Anshuman Electronics, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how do I edit my videos and some tips for you guys so that you can edit your video as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So basically in these types of videos, I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos in Sony Vegas Pro 14. And yeah, I use Sony Vegas Pro 14. I know some cool tricks about that editor. So yeah, I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos and do some magic. And this is a new series on the channel, not a type of a series but types of videos that I will be posting in the future, and this is one of them and it is the first of them. So let's dive right into the video editing, and yeah, I will see you on another screen swap. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on my desktop right here, and today I will show you how to create your own intro with some kinds of effects, you can say, but it will be basic with a soundtrack. So yeah, let's just see how the output is. So yeah, let's go. So over here you go on media generators, you go on tiles and text, I guess. Here you have a text. So first I will just import plain wallpaper, a plain white wallpaper on my timeline, and let's just stretch it for a particular time, and I will drag it down here, and I will choose a type of text. So you can select any type of text. As you can see, that's an action flip, this is a bounce effect, this is coming at you effect. Serious, bro. Okay, then we have more. There is drop split event, double flash glow, and others, as you can see on the screen right now. So I'll just choose a simple text one, or you can choose any of them. So I have it right over here, and I will just type my name, TikTok, and I will just choose the color, any dark color which has black. Okay, so I got black over there, great, and I will just select it again. And so yeah, that's my name. And now as you see on my intro, there are some black bars up on the top and the downside. So yeah, let's add them too. So you just click over this square thingy right over here, and you bring it up here, and they will be selected over here, these two boxes. You have to unselect them or whatever you say, just like that, and you have to just click and hold over here, and just drag it down like that, and as you can see, the black bars are appearing right over there. So yeah, you can have it like that, or something like that. Okay, so I will have this much as per my convenience. So that was a normal intro, and now I will show you how to add some basic moving effects. So what I will do is click again on that, and now you click over this piece of the text, and now you can move it according to your music beat. So I will go ahead and select a beat. So yeah, I will be back to you guys. Okay, so as you can see right over here, I have selected a soundtrack. Yeah, I will adjust the volume and the drop. I will cut a few seconds before the drop. So yeah, let's just see. So I did cut the song to its drop a few seconds before it, and you can see that the vocals are going really high over here. So if you want to adjust the volume over here, you can just cut it there and drag it down. For my reason, I drag it down because that is convenient for me, because I can then just adjust the volume. So I will just drag it a little bit over here so it's not that loud. So okay, so there was the drop, as you can see, So I will cut this text right over here and select that square thingy, and you see a timeline over here. Now as per its keynotes, I will change the position of the text. So the first keyframe is right over here. So now I will just move it up here. Then I will click on this right here and I will move it down. Then again over here and I will move it like that. Here, up, here, here, here. I can just do whatever I want actually. Okay, so did I rotate it? Yes, I did. Here, and just like that you add the moving effect of the text. So yeah, let's see now how it looks like, the rough image of it. And yeah, I will cut it right there and select this, cut there, and select this and cut it there. So okay, and now what I will do is just select them all and right click on it and make a new group, so these come along. So here's the intro, as you can see. Okay, so this was the basic edits that you can have, and I told you before that you can select any of the text. You can select action flip, or you can just select coming at you. So yeah guys, that was the edit, and now I will show you how the intro looks like. But before that you need to render the video, so I will select this and go to file and click render as, and select browse. I will just save it on my desktop so I get that easily, and I will select the resolution that I want. Currently I use 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second, so I will select that and I will click render. So the video will render, and now I will show you the output that I got after creating this intro. So yeah, let's just see how the intro looks. Okay guys, so that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed and liked my content. I'm really sorry that I am making short videos, because when I edit I don't see the timeline and just edit the video, so I can deliver the video to you guys as soon as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button in the face and join the Tectonics family. So yeah, and I will be bringing out another videos like this, but longer ones, and help you guys edit your videos and make some intros. So yeah guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and it's your life, make it special, and I am signing out.